futhi esami yami into engayithatha sesivele bekhethe ngithothiwa ngithwele nani akuvele abazi ukuthi vele kukanjalo ngathwala umsebenzi wabatata bamthike nanoma ngithiwa ngihamba kuphi into engikhuluma ngomlomo sesivele yenzeke uma uza kumina ngithiwa akunikeza umuthi ima ngikhuluma namadoda enginawo lapha ekhaya ayakulela amadoda lapha sesekwenza into oyifuna wena without ngithi kunikeza umuthi.
So tell me something for yourself. Was that how did you get the idea in your head? Kwakufika kanjani when this is the path that you must take? How was it revealed to you?
Okay, ngizosho nje iqiniso mina ngiyaphupha. So ezinto ngiziphupha ukuthi ngazi ukuthi ziqonda ukuthi ngideli bese sengiyabuza mina nguthathekile ngizosho kanjani impilo ade ngiyiphila kakhulu ngisakhula nginguthathekile ngifuna ukwazi kakhulu ngihlezi ngiforward yabona so abantize ngigcine sengimthola lo muntu lo owangenzela futhi iqiniso and ngiyazi ukuthi inyanga umuntu bekuthiwalisi noma kade ekulapha into yakhe yaqala yathi ukuphakama uyakunciphisa noma kujikisele noma athi ukunciphisa izinto mina lo wami ubadla sisami kanje ngedla futhi zona ngakhona uyabona sizwana ngalendlela so